Welcome to Art and Cook channel. Today we will see Ugadi special Holige or Obbattu.
Before that, please click on the red button to subscribe to Art and Cook channel and click on the bell icon to get the first notifications of our new videos.
Let's see the ingredients required. Here I have taken 1 bowl maida or all-purpose flour, 1 bowl toor dal, 1 bowl jaggery, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric and water as required. Let's see the process. Firstly, we will prepare the dough. For that, we will add maida, teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of salt and make a dry mix. Add some water and prepare a soft dough. For this, add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it thoroughly. Rest this dough for 3 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare the hurna. For that, firstly we need to wash this toor dal thoroughly. Take the toor dal in a pan. Add 2 glasses of water. Add a pinch of turmeric and a teaspoon of oil and boil it. Once it starts boiling, cook it in the low flame till the dal becomes soft. Now we can see that the dal is cooked completely. At this point, turn off the flame and drain the water. Now for this, add jaggery and cook it till the jaggery melts. Once the jaggery melts completely, add the cardamom powder and mix it thoroughly and then turn off the flame. Rest it for 5 minutes. Now we need to blend this mixture. Now the hurna is ready. So it should be a fine mixture. Now we need to prepare round ball from this. Take the holige sheet and apply some oil on it. Grease the roller with the oil. Now take a portion of the dough and prepare a puri from. Now place the hurna inside and just cover it. Remove the extra dough. A very little maida on it. You need to prepare a very thin holige. So now it is ready. We need to bake it. If you don't have roller, you can do it with hand as well. Firstly, take a portion of dough and prepare a small puri. Now dust with maida and slowly pat on it at the corner as well as in the middle. Now the holige is ready, so you need to bake this one. Now grease the pan with a teaspoon of oil. Now place the holige and fry it till golden brown. Now the holige is done. You can remove from the pan. Holige or Obbattu is ready to serve.